Hey guys, so we are here. We're going to be replacing the spark plug with this NGK spark plug, and we're going to be using this multi-tool. So you are going to get this multi-tool, take out the spark plug cable, and then put this multi-tool onto the spark plug. Make sure that it fits so you don't cross thread the spark plug, and then replace the spark plug, and then make sure the spark plug cable fits onto the spark plug so you don't cross thread it. And then that's how you replace the spark plug on this mini Jeep.